Some breaking news coming in at the moment. In fact, top sources have told Times Now that opposition gave 3 options to the government in the Business Advisory Committee meeting, but the government is yet to get back. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya for more on this. Pragya, what are these 3 options that the opposition has cited before the government?
Well, Madhav, they have said if you cannot debate SIR, please do a discussion on a broader topic like electoral reform, like further need for electoral reforms. There is urgent need for electoral reforms. And third is, if you need to strengthen the integrity and sovereignty of the country for the democracy, you need to discuss electoral reforms. These are the 3 topics that are broadly discussed by the opposition with Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiran Rijiju in Lok Sabha Business Advisory Committee. However, government is yet to get back to them. And in fact, this is the reason why they have walked out of the Rajya Sabha today. Mr. Derek O'Brien being the first one. TMC was, literally insisting that the debate should start today itself. However, having said that, Mr. Kiran Rijiju has also said that government is not averse to this particular debate. And in fact, give us some time. There is a listed business. Please undertake that particular business and we will get back to you.
Right.
There are other political parties who have also given some notices and demands of discussion. So basically, government is also reaching out to opposition saying we are ready for that. Please don't doubt our intentions of not, we will have a debate on electoral reforms.
Okay.
And they also know when there is a debate on electoral reform, SIR will become an integral part of it.
Okay, let's leave it there. Pragya, thanks so much for us with that quick update. Taking across to our guest now, joining us is Syed Zafar Islam, National Spokesperson of BJP. Pattabhiram Komareddy is National Spokesperson of TDP. We have Ashutosh Mishra, Senior Journalist, joining us. But my first question is to Kapil Srivastava, Spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. Kapil Srivastava, opposition के जो भी डिमांड्स हैं और डिस्कशंस की जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं सब मान लिए जाएंगे सरकार कह रही है, लेकिन टाइमलाइन ना दे, ये सब हो जाएगा कह रही है सरकार. क्या आप आश्वस्त हैं?
देखिए, सरकार पर हम कैसे बिलीव करें, क्योंकि जब कभी संसद का सत्र आरंभ होता है और हम लोग जिस टॉपिक पे बात करना चाहते हैं तो वो पहला नहीं आखिरी बना दिया जाता है. और उसके बाद क्या होता, आपने मणिपुर के अंदर देखा, आपने जब किसान के लिए हित में कानून लेकर के आए थे तो आपने देखा 700 किसानों की मौत हो जाने के बाद जो है यू टर्न लिया इन्होंने. और अभी अगर SIR पे अब बात नहीं होगी तो कब बात होगी, क्योंकि आज तो 4 दिसंबर अब आने जा रहा है. उसके पहले जो मौतें हो रही हैं उस पर कैसे बात होगी, उस पर जो समय चाहिए वो कैसे मिलेगा, क्योंकि 1 हफ्ते के समय बढ़ा देने से SIR आपका ठीक ढंग से नहीं हो सकता है. तो हमारी जो दिक्कतें हैं वो लोक मत को बचाने की हैं और इनकी जो दिक्कतें हैं वो लोक मत को लूटने की हैं.
Syed Zafar Islam, respond to that. SIR is a genuine concern because it's an exercise being conducted for 50 crore people currently. We've seen what's happened in Bihar. There are some genuine concerns that we have, say, opposition parties. There's a request from their side that this should happen immediately. What is the issue there?
देखिए, बहुत स्पष्ट बात है.
See, as far as any issues are concerned, they can approach Election Commission. Election Commission is always ready to listen to them, discuss with them, debate with them. TMC representative have recently visited Election Commission, met the Election Commissioner, Chief Election Commissioner, did discuss with them. Whatever the concern they have was adequately addressed by the Election Commission. Where is the question of this kind of a statement coming from the opposition parties? If you want to discuss, of course, everything can be discussed on the floor of the parliament. But if you want to disrupt the parliament, then nothing can be discussed. In the Business Advisory Committee, we have seen in the past that whatever gets discussed, whatever a big discuss there, and there is a meeting of minds that these are the issues which will be discussed, and the time has been allocated for 10 hours, 20 hours, whatever it is. But once they are on the floor of the parliament, they just want one thing. They want to be seen in the camera that they are disrupting the parliament. If that is the intention of the opposition parties have, they are totally irresponsible behavior. Behavior is so irresponsible that they do not understand that this taxpayers' money which is being spent to run the parliament, to make some legislation for the benefit of the people of this great country. But unfortunately, all these political parties and opposition space are only concerned about their own benefits